Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if this app has been blocked due to company policy error that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 Microsoft Store. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side in the apps list field, go ahead and type in Microsoft Store. Best result should come back with Microsoft Store. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and underneath Reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. Give it a moment here. And now I would attempt to relaunch the Microsoft Store and see if that has resolved the problem. If not, we can attempt to reset the app. So if this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then once that's done, we are going to go ahead and actually restart our computer here. So go ahead and just right-click on the Start button. Select Shut Down or Sign Out, and then we're going to select Restart. And now at this point, I would attempt to actually open up the Microsoft Store again, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So let's go ahead and actually open that up. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.